Skin Tribe. Happy New Year! Welcome to another new year. Let's do a quick PR unboxing of this box I got from Style Korea. It's their 2025 New Year box. It's called the Rookie Box. Anyway, let's see what it was inside. I'm still even using some of the products actually. Anyway, this is basically what came in the box, so let's see what's inside the box. Anyway, so first of all, the first thing we have in this box is this product. It's kind of a spray like product. It's from Pure Cell. I really like it. I've started using the product. Yeah, so it's an ampoule. It's a pore defense ampoule. It looks like a bar of soap. It's just so cute, and I just love the fact that you can carry it around, and it's just so nice. The next thing we have in this box is this green. It's a cleanser. It's a cleansing balm actually. It's a cleanser, whatever, from Anicia. This is what it looks like. It's just so cute, so portable. Comes with this copper stuff, and this is it. I love this. It smells like really fresh, and it's really nice. You guys will see me use it in like one of my videos. I really like it, and it like takes off dirt out of your face like really well. Anyway, you guys, more details about this product will be in the description, so read that up. Okay, this is one of the things I really love most about the box and everything. This mask. Okay, this is a clay. It's a green tomato clay mask, and I really like it. I've been wanting to get a clay mask, and when I saw this I was like, ah. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. Just so cute and nice. I'm going to really have fun using this. I'm going to use it tomorrow. You guys, I've been through a lot of stress, and I really need to unclog my pores, so this came in at the right time. The box also came with this. It's a moisturizer. It's a moisturizer basically. Let me not say what I don't know. I've not gone through like the products and everything. Okay, it's from iUnique. I hope you guys are seeing the brand name. It's from iUnique. I've tested this product out. I really love the whole combo, everything that came with the box. So I really tried all of them. Usually I have a lot of boxes here. I don't even try out the product, but these ones were really nice. I really like this product. Should I open it for you guys? I love the consistency of this moisturizer. I really like it. The box also came with this. This is a spray serum. It's kind of a mist spray serum. This is what it looks like. I have something like this. I think I gave it to my sister already. This is what it looks like. It's an hydrating mist. It has this I don't know, is it tangerine, but it has a fragrance, a pleasing fragrance in it. So if you have a sensitive skin, you might not really like. I really like this. I'm saying, I really like everything in this box, but really I like this lip oil or whatever, lip oil, lipstick. It's from the brand Laka, and this is what it looks like. This is the shade 108. I love everything about it. The applicator, everything. It feels really cool. The last thing we have in the box is this. It's a mask basically. It's a full face mask. We're going to be trying it out on this channel. I really want to see what's in this, but this is everything that came in this box. It's just really exciting. It's really exciting. Anyway guys, check the description for further details or anything. Okay, bye guys.